Hello friends, in this video I'm going to be tell you how to launch the emulator via command promoter. There are two commands. Using the two commands I'm going to be launch the emulator. This is the command I'm going to be tell you in this video. Now I'm going to be open Android Studio. So already I have created three virtual device. This is my emulator name. Okay. So everyone know aware of it. If you click this run command, automatically the emulator will open, right? Everyone knows that this is the simple way, but in this video I'm going to be tell you using command through command prompt how I can launch the emulator. Okay, let's see. I just close this one. So now you can go to C drive users. This is username Sangeeta.Natarajan. Then you can go to app data, local, Android, SDK. Here you can find emulator. So this is the path of all the emulator sitting in this path. Okay. In this path you just type cmd. The command prompt will open. Here you have to give the command for launching the emulator. So now I'm going to be tell you the first command. What is the first command? So I just type here cmd.exe/c and emulator -avd. After this you should give the emulator name. So what is the emulator name? So this is my emulator name. So already I have saved in my word. So I just word document, I just take this one. I have to paste it after the CVD. Okay, this is the whole command. Okay, so up to this command you should remember. So this is the part, this is the device name. Okay, this is the emulator name. Okay, I just copy the whole command, paste it here. I just hit the enter. So it will be take few minutes for the successfully the first emulator launched. See. We can wait until loading this all the apps. Started to loading all the apps. Successfully apps loaded and the emulator opened successfully, right? So this one emulator I launched using this first command. Okay, now I'm going to be tell you using the second command how we can open the emulator. Okay, so what is the second command? Emulator -avd. After that you should mention emulator name. So already I opened the first emulator. Now I have taken this second emulator name. So NATASA Tech 2. I just copy this emulator name. I just paste it. So this is the name of the second emulator. Now I can copy this whole command. Go to command promote, or else I can open another one command promote in the same path cmd. Now I can paste it, hit enter, started to opening second emulator. See, now I opened successfully two emulator. This is the first one. Okay, it is shut down immediately. Okay, I will hit again the same command. See, this is first emulator, this is the second emulator. How I can check that? Click on this three dot for checking emulator name. See, this is NATASA Tech 1. This is the NATASA Tech 2. Okay. So this is the way using this two command we can able to launch the emulator. Okay. You just noted this two command, or else you can go to my blog natasa-tech.com. This is my official page. Go to test automation, mobile automation, APM, how to launch emulator from command line. Here I have explained everything clear manner. You just refer this blog. You can try to yourself. Okay. Thank you guys.